To record the screen on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you have to open the quick settings panel, but not notifications, the quick settings actually. Now we have to expand this and we are looking for the screen recorder. As you can see here, we can find some settings that we can adjust. For example, I want to record media and the microphone sound, and I want to also show taps and touches. Click to start recording. You can skip this 3 seconds countdown. When you click on this icon, you can even show the selfie camera, so you can just look at that camera and just record something. Now when you click on this icon and click one more time, you can adjust that option with some colors. We can just basically draw on the screen, and by clicking here we can actually remove those changes, and here we can finish. Now it was recorded. So if you want to check this, you can just open the notifications and here click here and select to open with Google Photos or video player.
Countdown.
There we go.
When you click on this icon, you can even show the selfie camera.
And now we can quickly save this, for example, check some details or play in the background.